3 federal judges of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals grilling lawyers from the Justice Department and Washington State in a hearing by phone Tuesday night. Both sides fighting back skepticism from the court.
Either you have the evidence presented in the record or you don't.
The Justice Department attorney August Flingy arguing President Trump has the legal authority to impose a travel ban without court review, citing national security.
Are you arguing then that the president's decision in that regard is unreviewable?
Yes.
Judge William Canby pushing back on Flingy's logic.
Could the president simply say in the order, we're not going to let any Muslims in?
That's not what the order does here.
Could he do that? Could he do that?
That's not what the order does.
Would anybody be able to challenge that?
That's not what the order does here.
Flingy acknowledging his argument might not be working.
I'm not sure I'm convincing the courts.
Judge Richard Clifton questioning Washington State's claim shows a direct intent to discriminate against Muslims.
I have trouble understanding why we're supposed to infer religious animus when, in fact, the vast majority of Muslims would not be affected as residents of those nations.
Your Honor, the case law from this court and the Supreme Court is very clear that to prove religious discrimination, we do not need to prove that this order harms only Muslims or that it harms every Muslim. We just need to prove that it was motivated in part by a desire to harm Muslims.
Do I have to believe everything you allege and say, well, that must be right? That's not the standard.
President Trump continues defending his hastily implemented ban.
Some things are law, and I'm all in favor of that. And some things are common sense. This is common sense.
While the president's new Homeland Security Secretary told a House committee he regrets how the presidential order was rolled out.
I should have delayed it just a bit so that I could talk to members of Congress, particularly the leadership of committees like this, to prepare them for what was coming.